Morning, people. That's it. Okay, we got another trading day. And yesterday, I've got to say, Will took a lovely trade. He took a lovely trade on pound dollar. We're going to go through all of those different trades and we're going to see where I am in this competition, where he is, and he will be on later as well. But yeah, let's jump in. Let's see what we've got. Let's see who we're up against today. So we'll start from the top as we normally do. Let's go through gold. Had a nice push down in the Asian session, in all fairness. Let's go into a higher time frame. Now we've just hit actually quite an interesting level on top of a range. So lower time frame, there's not really much to buy just yet at the moment. We've got all of this, descending price action. Nothing really there to buy. What I would say, if we start doing something like that, have a deviation, break up, coming into this 200 EMA, that could be a trade that would be quite nice to actually do. But we haven't seen any kind of failed breaks of the lows at the moment, so there's not really much to do there. S&P pushing higher. We had wow, that was a crazy push down from yesterday's session. Not too much. Let's just jump over to the Dixie. What's the Dixie saying? Okay, so high was taken here in last session yesterday, pushed all the way down. Now all we're doing is having a retracement on this particular move. This is still bearish. The dollar is still weak, so we'll have to wait and see what happens. At the moment, we're pushing on the intraday. We've taken out the highs. We could have potential retracement. So something like this, come back in, get into this 50 area, then we'll see what's going to happen. If that's going to turn into, a break of structure and retest and continuation to the downside to take out all of these lows, or if it's going to do the opposite and do something like that where we can get into positions like this. So we've got to just really see and assess how we're going to trade this market. So those are the ideas. Let's have a look on pound dollar. So pound dollar is already coming down. Euro dollar is already coming down. It's coming down, but it's hitting pre-highs, highs pre-break. So you don't really want to be going short here, to be honest. So everything on the dollar side is pushing up. Where's the 15 minute? Now, I've taken quite a few losses trying to long this into a 15 minute EMA. So I had one here and another one here. We've had a bit more of a base right now, so it could be. Just trying to see what that would look like. So let's have a look on the 5 minute. It's possible that this could be an interesting long trade. Yeah. So I think we're going to go long on USD CHF again. Okay. probably got into it a little bit early. There you go. Okay. Putting in my orders there. So I've got an order on here. I'm already filled on this one. So let's just put in stop losses and make sure the risk is in place. There you go. Exactly. And take profit is just on this bit here. So that is the trade that we're looking at. It's already pushing off. Hopefully it can come down and pick me up on the other account as well, but might not. There you go. Go on. If we can come back down, we can just pick up my other order. Yeah. Come on. I didn't get picked up through spread. Oh, spread on this thing is awful. All right, so I'm in there as well. We warmed up. End of the week. This is what we want. This is, we had a hard week. We had a hard week, guys. It was a tough week. And why? Because we've been giving back a lot of profits. We've been trading quite a lot. You can see we've been making money. We've been losing it. We've been trading our P&L like crazy. So, it's been a tough one. It hasn't been easy, but we're getting it back slowly. We are getting it back. So we're in a competition with Will from Traderlicious. That he had a trade yesterday on, let's go back to it. He had a trade on pound yesterday. We're going to have a look and see what happened with that one. So he got into it here. So we had this really nice consolidation on the level here. Price came right down into this area and then pushed straight off, and he got into it. No, he got into it on the pound. There you go. That was the trade. So really nice price consolidating on this level. Came down, pushed up, failed, came back down into this area of demand, straight off to his TP. His target was at the high of this flag, which is the exact way that I would have traded it as well. But he got into a really, really, really nice trade. I like with these flags always to get out at the top of the flag. It's just a really safe area to do so. Okay, let's have a look at my position. We've had an interesting push down. Let's see if it can hold. Let's see if it can hold. Go on to the 1 minute. Oof, what a vibe. Boom, boom, boom. This is what you get with Funding Rock. You get live trades and you get great music. You just can't get that everywhere. Can't get it everywhere, guys.